What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. And before we get started, make sure you drop that like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell notification so that you get notified of any future uploads. But without out of the way, let's get into the video. So today I'm gonna keep it real short. Like, I'm just gonna show you guys how you can sign into your Google account on your Huawei device. For those of you who don't know what's going on, Huawei has been banned from using Google Play services, so that means you cannot in a way install or sign into your Google account. So in South Africa, this has gotten really serious that you cannot actually install it. As you can tell right now, I was trying to sign in, but immediately it just cuts off to this couldn't sign into your Google account. So I'm gonna just show you the simple method, guys, which should probably work. I'm not really sure. I have not really tested this on a lot of devices, but it did work for my phone. So this is a Huawei P8 Lite 2016 model, pretty old but still gets the job done in a way. So you can head over to the link right in the description. I have put the app link somewhere in there. I think it's in there, but you can use any VPN in any way. I just like ᎢᎬ뾱ᎬᎬᎬᎢ as it is free and well from the Play Store. If you cannot get, like, if you're not able to install this app, you could check in the description. I have a second link. You have a direct link from Google Chrome, just in case you cannot open the Google Play Store. So after you connect your VPN, any server should be okay, but I just like using the UK server. And then you're just gonna click on sign into your Google account. It's gonna say checking info, and then after a couple seconds, maybe 10-15, and then voila, it's gonna say sign into your Google account, and everything should be okay. After this, you can then sign into your Google account. You can then disconnect the VPN afterwards, like if you're trying to use YouTube or want to download content offline. But yeah, guys, that will be it for this video. I'm sorry for it being too short. I'll catch you all in the next video. Make sure you keep on subscribing, and yeah.